I'm going to show you a cool little E minor pentatonic scale walk up. I'm going to start off here in the 6th string with an open E, and I'm going to take my index finger, hammer on that 3rd fret, slide it up to the 5th fret, and then hammer on with our ring finger on the 7th fret. Then on the 5th string, I'm going to place my index finger on the 5th fret. And I'm going to hit that note and slide it up to the 7th fret, and then hammer my little finger on the 10th fret. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string, play that note, slide it up to the 9th fret, and then hammer on my little finger on the 12th fret. Then I'm going to go to the 3rd string on the 9th fret with my index finger. I'm going to play that note and slide up to the 12th fret and hammer on with the ring finger to the 14th fret. Then I'm going to take my index finger, play that note on the 12th fret, and then slide it up to the 15th fret and hammer on the 17th fret with my ring finger. Play that 15th fret with the index finger on the 1st string. Then play that 17th fret with my ring finger on the 2nd string. Hey again, Mr. G here. Hope you enjoy the E minor pentatonic walk up. Have fun playing, keep on jamming.